Well, here is a formal conversation. If you see a boy or girl anywhere, or in a function, or new places, rail station, in the train, how to start talking with a little boy or girl, you can learn it from this conversation. Just a moment, please. Hi, girl. What's your name?
I'm Mo.
Mo. So, how old are you?
I'm 29 years old. I'm 29 years old.
Well, which class do you study in?
I've completed my post-graduation.
Were you a science or arts student?
I'm arts student.
Well, so what's your father?
My father is departed.
Oh, I'm sorry indeed. What's your mom?
She is a housewife.
Mhm. Well, how many sisters are you?
We have five sisters.
You are five
Yes.
sisters. And how many brothers do you have?
I have no brother.
Okay. And how do you pass your evening time, Sabina?
I'm browsing Facebook or internet.
Mhm. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your first friend?
Razia is my first friend.
That's great. Do you help your mother in her household work?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I work to help.
Complete the sentence, please. I don't understand. I'm recording it. Do you help your mom in her household work?
Yes. Sorry. I do. I do. My mother has taught me everything.
Can you cook?
Certainly, I cook whole meal when my mom is sick.
That's like a good girl. Thank you
Thank
very
you so
much.
much.
Well, nice to talk to you.
Nice to talk to you too.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.